Hi everyone. Today, we're talking about one of the most common and uncomfortable experiences many of us face: dry skin, eyes, and mouth. Whether it's due to the weather, medication, or other factors, dryness can lead to itching, irritation, and even pain. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing the best remedies to relieve these symptoms and keep your skin, eyes, and mouth healthy and hydrated. So sit back, grab a glass of water, and let's get started. Dry skin, eyes, and mouth are common symptoms that can be caused by a variety of factors, such as genetics, age, weather, and certain medical conditions. While these symptoms can be uncomfortable and even painful, there are several remedies that can help alleviate them. Here are some of the best remedies for dry skin, eyes, and mouth. For dry skin, moisturize regularly. Moisturizing is the most important step in treating dry skin. Look for a moisturizer that contains ingredients such as glycerin, urea, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid, which can help hydrate and protect the skin. Apply moisturizer immediately after showering or bathing while your skin is still damp to help lock in moisture. Avoid hot showers and baths. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils, making dry skin worse. Opt for lukewarm water instead, and limit your showers and baths to no more than 10 minutes. Use a humidifier. Dry indoor air can also contribute to dry skin. Running a humidifier in your home can help add moisture to the air, which can help keep your skin hydrated. Avoid harsh soaps and detergents. Harsh soaps and detergents can strip your skin of its natural oils and make dry skin worse. Look for gentle, fragrance-free products that are designed for sensitive skin. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated from the inside out can help keep your skin healthy and hydrated. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. For dry eyes, use artificial tears. Artificial tears are over-the-counter eye drops that can help lubricate dry eyes. They come in different formulations, including preservative-free options for those with sensitive eyes. Blink more often. Blinking helps to spread tears over the surface of the eyes, keeping them moist. If you spend a lot of time looking at a computer screen, make a conscious effort to blink frequently. Keep your home and workplace humid. Dry air can exacerbate dry eye symptoms. Running a humidifier in your home and workplace can help add moisture to the air, which can help keep your eyes hydrated. Wear protective eyewear. If you spend a lot of time outside, wear sunglasses that provide UV protection to help shield your eyes from the wind and sun. Avoid using air conditioning and fans. Air conditioning and fans can circulate dry air, which can make dry eye symptoms worse. If you must use them, try to keep them at a moderate setting and use a humidifier to add moisture to the air. For dry mouth, drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is important for keeping your mouth moist. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Chew sugar-free gum or suck on sugar-free candy. This can help stimulate saliva production and keep your mouth moist. Use a saliva substitute. Over-the-counter saliva substitutes, such as gels and sprays, can help keep your mouth moist. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Both alcohol and caffeine can dehydrate the body and make dry mouth symptoms worse. Breathe through your nose. Mouth breathing can dry out your mouth. Try to breathe through your nose as much as possible, especially when you sleep. In conclusion, there are several effective remedies for dry skin, eyes, and mouth. Regular moisturizing. Avoiding harsh soaps and detergents, drinking plenty of water, and using artificial tears, or saliva substitutes can help alleviate dry skin, eyes, and mouth. It's also important to protect your skin and eyes from harsh environmental factors, such as wind and sun exposure, and to maintain a healthy level of humidity in your home and workplace. If you have persistent symptoms or underlying medical conditions that are causing your dry skin, eyes, and mouth, it is important to consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. By implementing these remedies and taking steps to maintain overall skin, eye, and oral health, you can reduce the discomfort and pain associated with dry skin, eyes, and mouth. And that's it for today's video on the best remedies for dry skin, eyes, and mouth. We hope you found this information helpful, and that you're now ready to tackle dryness head-on. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more helpful content, and share it with your friends and family who may also be dealing with dryness. Until next time, take care and stay hydrated.